Solomon. Hump. Alright. After you guys get done humping your toilet. Okay. That's a lot better. See, not as much wobble. Still some wobble. Ugh. Okay. So we know some of that elevation is just purely due to the fact that we have a flange that's sticking out of the tile. So what we're going to do is now we're going to put the Johnny bolts nuts on. We'll start by putting this one in. And the washer. We can clean this up. Oh yeah, wax rings are great. So much more firm. There's no movement. It makes putting the screw in easy. Okay. If nobody owns one of these, I highly recommend. These are called channel locks. Where I live, they're called channel locks. These are some of the best tools you could use, especially when it comes to toilet and plumbing stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, feel that water. Feel the music and feel the water. And I have to say my hat's off to all the guys and girls out there that are working with toilets. You know, it's strong work. It's all good. These are nothing really more than, ceramic fixtures, kind of like china that when you're doing the dishes. They're nothing to be scared of. Okay, so I mounted that one down. It went down really smooth. So, the next thing I'm going to do, I had to get an extra one of these. And then I also got this kit. So, sometimes what happens, it's often very wise to go ahead and let it all flow out. Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, now my floor is entirely flooded. So what I'm doing, these are great. These are Fluid Masters. Some of the guys just want to check it and make sure your rubber is good. This is all good and sealed. I don't see any reason to replace it. I was thinking I might need to replace it, but it turns out that the seal in there sometimes goes bad. The seal in your 12-inch 3/8 comp valve, whatever, 3/8 inch toilet connector, that rubber goes bad. It's very important to regularly check that, because if that leaks, you start getting rotting on your tile and floor. That's why we had to rebuild this bathroom in the first place. So I don't see any problem with this. You guys can see that there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think so, and I don't see anything wrong with the nut. So, make sure there is no seal there. That's our seal. So, some people would probably put a seal here. That might be where, I don't know. Well, we're just gonna do it this way. If we have more leakage, we will fix it. Again, you tighten this by going counterclockwise. I thoroughly washed my toilet. I cleansed it. I just soaked the crap out of it while it was in the bathtub during this project. So we're putting this guy on, and I don't know if you guys want to actually watch that, but it's not really much. You can look at all the beautiful water I'm playing with. Standing in nice water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this. We're gonna put this one down, and I'm just gonna spin it counter. Should probably use. I don't think you need to use. You should probably use pipe fitting tape, Teflon tape. I apologize. So, you don't need it. You don't need this stuff. So, we'll put it in anyways. This is called Teflon tape. And I only need a sliver of it. Should generally have a pair of scissors. Woo. Okay. Counterclockwise. Is that right? Is that working? Clockwise. Clockwise. Okay. That goes in clockwise. And I apologize. Grab my channel locks, just gently, very gently, without ruining the beautiful brass or whatever that is. If you can, use a wrench. And you just tighten it down. I want to make sure mine's tight because this is where this is one reason possibly why my floor rotted. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll put this on. Don't want to have it kink, but that's an important point when you're installing your toilet. Make sure you account for giving yourself some space. So you just want to hand tighten this guy. Just want to hand tighten that. Oh, okay, let's turn it on. Pray, or just pray. Check everything. Look at that tighten. I had to use it. I have to use these channel locks because my valve is old and okay. I still have a leak. So what I'm doing right now is I'm tightening up the plastic underneath.